With me today, I have Dr. Sybille van der Hove, and a jury member, and Professor Thomas Elmqvist, a member of the scientific committee. Welcome, both of you.
Thank you.
What singled out this year's research area and the laureates?
I think about the laureates, really what is important is that they took this systemic, holistic view, and they tried to look at how human actions are influencing the environment and the ecosystems, and then back how this influences human health and well-being. And actually, it could go back to influence the ecosystems because the health system is using a lot of plastic. So there's this idea of taking a systemic view, which is really important if you're going to do environmental science. And the second thing I'd like to stress is that we selected a team. And I think if we're going to understand the environment and act on our relationship to the environment, we need to work as team and collaborate.
Thank you. And Thomas?
Well, for me, I think the laureates have shown an outstanding ability to combine deep but also different and very complementary competencies that had enabled them to take this systemic view and actually go anything from documenting the sources of the problem and how it's transmitted in nature to the effects on organisms and ecosystems, and then going into influencing policy responses and implementing practical solutions.
Very good. And Sybille, maybe as a member of the jury, would you like to read something from the citation from the
Yes, thank you. I'm going to read not the full citation, it's on the website, but I'll read part of it. So their groundbreaking research focuses across multiple disciplines on understanding the impacts of plastic pollution on the health of humans and on the environment, including the potential disruption of the carbon sink capacity of the oceans. This unique contribution is achieved by teamwork and the synergy between three research approaches: the breakdown of the plastics and the ingestion of microplastics by invertebrates and interaction with biological tissue, the role of nanoplastics, and the ecotoxicology and effects on marine eukaryotic organisms. The research by this team has been instrumental in providing societal awareness of plastic pollution as an emerging global challenge and triggering policy actions.
Thank you very much, Sybille and Thomas.